If you watch the video, the previous video before this one, if you watch the video to the end, I think you see how the trades started, and now these are the results of what has been. Yeah, this is the result of the Mansa Musa trading board. This is the result, my guy. This is the result, my guy. This is what I told you. This is the everything. I think you can now know what I'm talking about, and now you can know what this board is, and you can think about it on how this board works, do its analysis, and get the entry. The board get the entry when we are in this point here, when we are just completing this point here. Then the board started. The board started to selling as by just selling. It is goes like this one, and then goes with this trend here, and then the trends still going on the way as the board give it direction that it will go to sell. It must sell. As now you can see, it just selling like the way you see. Yeah, like the way you are just watching this and seeing the direction of this thing. So this robot is very good for you to make profit. This bot is very nice for you to generate some profit for your life. As you can see, it started with negative. It started with zero profit. It started with zero profit, and then comes to a profit of 270, 300, like so. This is what I mean. This is what the robot works. This is the job. This is the work of the robot. This is the work of the robot always, and this is how things go. So I'm just telling you the truth, and if you like, you're interested, this is the time to change your life. This is the real bot, and it's good for trading, and can help you to do such thing like the way you have seen it. I showed you how the robot do the work, and from the beginning, when it start from zero profit, and then we are in profit of 330, and still we will go in profit because the graph is too young. The graph is too young. As you can see, the trend of this market is too young. It's too young. Yeah, it's too young. So this is what I'm just saying, that the robot is very best. We have all these trades are taken by the robot. All these trades are taken by the robot. Let me screenshot like this one. All these bots are taken by the robot. All these trades are taken by the Mansa Musa Robot. All these trades are taken by the Mansa Musa Robot. What can I say? What can I tell you? How can I tell you? But what I can tell you, this is the best robot for you. 2024 is for you. So if you are just watching this video, just make decisions which can help you. Don't make decision by just thinking or whatever. Just make decision. If you just look how you think and you are whatever, and you get that this one can change your life. If you feel it can help you, just don't worry. Just make sure you have it. Even if it is not to me, if anywhere, if you can get Mansa Musa Robot, because you can get it. But if you know you cannot get it anywhere, just DM me in description and get your bot start trading today. If you don't have, start trading today. If you have your bot, trade it with the robot and set it. Be patient and make money. Okay, don't just open the bot immediately. You want the bot to give you the profit immediately. You have to be patient and wait for the robot to get the targets and how it be said, like the way you see, everything is going like the way you see, like the way like the way you see. So I think here we have some, yeah, as you can see, the way 4 hour time frame. It is like the way I tell you in the previous video, that one candle of 4 hour is 4 candles of 1 hour. As you can see, the way you see it, yeah, the way you see it, yeah, where it started and where it's going and where is we are. We're just in profit like the way you see it. We're just in profit like the way you see it. No games, and I think you can see everything at yourself. It is going up and down, up and down. Yeah, all these are by the robot Mansa Musa. So it is your time to make something. It is your time to make something. Yeah. So if you just like to watch and be interested, but you don't take action, just I don't just know about it, but what I just want to say, this is the robot. This robot is so good. I have the hot robots. The two hot robots are the Mansa Musa robot and the Tinga robot. These robots, my dear, hey, I don't know what I can say, but the robots are so good, and I want others here to get some money, because forex so complex, and also I come far from before I get these things. I know these things. I was just thinking very bad, like after I know these things, I know, okay, I can do this, then I can make money. These things help me much and still helping me, and we are inside in. And also I wish, because I learn from people, okay. So how do you feel? How do my mentor feel? How do the one start giving me education about the boards or whatever, from that time, from that period there, up to today? It feels good because you can see me doing some wonders like the way you can see. And also I need someone to change his life through this channel, and one day he can say, or she, that I have made something because of some videos in the way, like the way you are watching this, okay. So this is what is there, and we are still waiting it. If it will be more than this, I wish it could be 1,000 in profit, so as let's say 700, so as we can double this account. I will make a video, I'll put a certain video again to show you that this robot, it is not a game of player, it is just a game changer of your life. Yeah, it is just something which can change your life if your mind is on fighting and believing in fighting and want to change your life in this 2024. This is January, my friend. This is January, and today is 3, the date. The 3 is the date. 1 is the month. 2024 is the year. So it is just upon you. It is up to you. Yeah, it is up to you. Up to you. This is the result. We are just going against the negativity. We are just going positively with the profit, like the way you see it. Yo, my nigga. As you can see, just we are in 400 profit, from 0 profit to 400 by the only bot, best bot in 2024. There is 2 bots, very best, very best robot. This Mansa Musa and Tinga robot. This is I don't know what I can say. All these trades are taken by the robot, my friend. All these trades are taken by the robot. All these trades are taken by the robot. All these trades are taken by the robot. My God. Hey. This January is going to be good to some people. To some people. To me, it's so good, so sweet. Yeah, 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 yeah. Because yeah, 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 yeah. Oh la 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 la. Start changing your life. This is what I'm just showing these things for free. So if you like a shit, it is upon you. And this is the graph. This is the chart. This is the chart. Ayya da 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 da. This is the chart, my guy. This is the chart. And if you see the profit is profitable. See the profit is profitable. Just enjoying the profit. Yeah. Mansa Musa is making drada. I'm so enjoying because this January is always like the way you know it. So if you can get something which can make you some amount like this one, my guy, take it and ishike kwa mkono mmoja, you know it. Ululu yeye, ululu yeye. The trading is just on the way. Okay, let's. Okay, my guy. This is what it is, and if you like, you can close the orders the way you like it and do the way you like it.